What's good, YouTube? Welcome back. Today, guys, what I'm going to do, I started a new challenge. A new challenge using TTrades Fractal Model with a brand new My Funded Futures account. So this challenge, I want to see if I can make the fractal model work. So I bought TTrades indicator, and also I got a brand new My Funded Futures account. I was one of the lucky 20,000 people that got the core account for only $1. So here's the email from My Funded Futures I received over the weekend. So I already claimed the $1 account. Okay. So a few things. It's a $50,000 core account. So I have until September the 30th to pass this account. I can receive up to $5,000 in payouts. They talk about the instant payout approvals, zero activation fees, uh, also no DLL or consistency in the SIM account. So with the evaluation account, there will be a 50%, a 50 consistency rule. So I can't pass within 2 days. So I have to take my time. So this is this is the account. So I placed a trade this morning on this account using the model. So I had one trade for $602. So I did a trade that was 3 RR. So let's break down the trade so you guys can see the trade here. Let me go here. All right, so you see I do have this indicator. The screenshot didn't take the whole thing, but anyway, so this is on NQ. I got a signal that the market right here was the the change in the state of delivery. The T spot, you see the wick went right inside the T spot, and I took the trade. Okay, I risked $200. Stop loss above the wick, and my take profits was down here below the previous C2 candle. All right, so this is where I exit. So as you can see, it didn't get all the way down to the C2. So I did see where this candle was forming. So I just took profits here. So I ended up getting 3R on this trade. So the goal with TTrades fractal model. So we're gonna go into that so you can see exactly the rules of it and the way I'll be trading it. All right, so I'm gonna just pull up the indicator here so you can see the indicator. So let's go to the indicator itself. So I'm gonna tell you the rules that I will be using in the settings. So pretty much, these are the settings. These are the filters. 30 minutes before, I have the filter one at 2 o'clock to 5 o'clock. Filter 2 is from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. And filter 3 is from 13:30 to 23:15. Okay. So I have my bullish CISD is going to be green and the bearish is going to be red. The time frame that I'll be using will be the 5 minute chart, the hour and the 5 minute. So the way the fractal model work, so we get our buys, we go here and get our daily buys. Then we drop down to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart, we're looking for a candle to closure. So once we get that candle to closure, we're gonna drop down to the 5 minute to make sure that we got a change in the state of delivery. So the main thing about that candle to closure on the 1 hour, you want to make sure that that candle to closure is in a POI, right? So either closing inside a fair value gap or previous high or previous low. Just don't take any random candle two. So that's the way I'll be using it. So I will only be using the 1 hour and the 5 minute chart. Okay. The goal is to trade, get a 2R. So I will not manage trades. So either it's going to be a 1R, either it's going to be a loss or a 2R trade. So the goal, I want to see how fast I can pass the challenge or if I even pass the challenge using TTrades Fractal Model. So just continue to come every day. I'm gonna give updates, and I'm gonna show you my wins, my losses, and I may even have some live trading. So once again, thank you for stopping by, and I look forward to this challenge. See you soon.